teacher and friend. My name is Jenny in grade 3-4 at Sneaker Grammar School. Today I'm going to talk about my favorite animal. Those that in the lives have many animals is very cute, smart, and fierce. But my favorite animal is rabbit, and her name is Carrot. And the rabbit just has 3 months of age. Okay, now we'll have some items about the body, the rabbit body. Okay, the fur of the rabbit is very soft and also it's white. The nose of the rabbit is small, but it's like very good smelling. It can marry me everywhere. Okay, now go to the leg. It has the many things funny of the leg, the rabbits. The leg of the rabbit is very short, but this can run very fast. Oh my god, funny. Okay, now we go to their ears. The ears of the rabbit is very long and big, and also it has the very good hearing. The eyes of the rabbit is small and red. Okay, now we will go to what things do and never do. Okay, my rabbit always running everywhere, doing exercise everywhere, and playing everywhere. And my rabbit will never poop in my house floor. That's why I very love my rabbits. And rabbit is very kind, happy, smart, and fierce, and cute too. So that I very love my rabbits. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.